मैंने तो नहीं सोचा था कि 4th ईयर के पहले मुझे बैंगलोर आने का चांस मिल रहा है। फर्स्ट ईयर में ही वी गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कम टू बैंगलोर एंड एक्सप्लोर।
पहले दिन जब ऑफिस गए तो मैनेजर से मिले एंड प्लीज आई थिंक द मैनेजर शुड नॉट से दिस, कैन वी लाइक इफ ही सीज दिस व्हाट विल बी हिज रिएक्शन? Hello, I am Anuj Kumar Singh.
Hi, my name is Manu Aswani.
Hi, myself Vivekananda.
And we are pursuing BTech in Computer Science and AI from Newton School of Technology.
I come from Bhagalpur, Bihar.
And I came from Hyderabad.
I come from Indore. So for me, Bangalore for the first time, see, I have only heard of traffic here. So when I landed in Bangalore, I guess my flight landed at 4 a.m. and I took up the bus, and when I saw that there was no traffic, just beautiful weather and huge buildings, I was very fascinated seeing all that, and I was like, yes, कुछ नया phase start होने वाला है अब. So I was pretty excited for it. I hope तुम लोग भी बहुत excitement के साथ आए होगे.
We planned that we are going to come on the same time, me and Vivekananda. So we landed near the company, which is Movin Singh, and we are searching PGs in roads. There was no place in HSR layout. Sector 4 is fully filled. Then we went to Sector 3, then Sector 2. Finally we got in Sector 1. So it was pretty hard day.
So guys, how do you feel being in India's Silicon Valley? Like, we know that Bangalore is the city of startups, right? So how do you guys feel?
Yeah, it was fascinating to see like the dream companies we want to work in, and there are so many big buildings, and same company has like 4 buildings together, and it's fascinating to see something, and the work culture like we had in our company, yeah, that exposure we get is amazing.
Oh shit, internship तो बताना भूल ही गए. So we all 3 are interning in a company named Move in Sync for 2 months as summer interns as a front-end developers. So first year में ही we got this opportunity to come to Bangalore and explore such city. तो I don't think तुम लोगों ने भी सोचा होगा ऐसा कुछ, right?
मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर में एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं किया था कि इंटर्नशिप भी लगेगी, बट it's great that we are here and time is going amazing.
Same, like I also thought I will get a job or anywhere in Hyderabad or Bangalore after 4th year only. I never expected I will get an internship in my first year itself, and we are working in the Bangalore.
So let me now tell you about कि हमारी company actually करती क्या है. So Move in Sync, it is a B2B company which directly collaborates with other businesses and provides transportation to their employees. Our role in the company is as front-end developers. We are going to see the front end of the company, be it their websites and be it desktop screen, tablet screen or mobile screen, maintaining the existing code of the company. Like as of what I know till now, they have the code in another base form which they want to convert it into Angular. So those will be the things that we are going to work on.
It was totally from college. They like brought the opportunity to have interviews the first round, but after that the college was gone and it was only us and Movin Singh. So पहले round में उन्होंने interview लिया. पहला round ठीक ठाक था मेरे लिए, and then came the second round, and it was a pretty hard round for me because उसने सर ने जो बोला, मतलब वो सिर्फ जो मुझे नहीं आ रहा था वो वही करवा रहे थे. वो मुझे डायरेक्ट सिर्फ पूछे थे कि अच्छा तुम्हें ये आता है? बोला नहीं. तो अच्छा अब इस पे काम करेंगे, ये करके दिखाओ मुझे इस पे. फिर मुझे ऐसा था कि मैंने अभी चैट जीपीटी वगैरह में बहुत यूज़ करता हूँ, तो मैंने सर से बस सिंपल क्वेश्चन किया कि सर चैट जीपीटी यूज़ कर सकता हूँ क्या? तो सर ने बोला नहीं, तुम करो, ट्राई करो, जो भी कहीं भी अटकोगे तो हम देखेंगे. और सक्सेसफुली आई वाज एबल टू बिल्ड व्हाट ही वाज सेइंग इन अ शॉर्ट टाइम.
And yes, adding on to all of this, there was a specific session booked for us on how to make your resume or CV, because there are many aspects, like you have to make it ATS friendly, what all are the things you have to add, what all you have to not. And we built our resumes and we had to give it within a week, and that's how so many students got into different companies with their resumes, and they all got mail for interviews. And as Anuj and Vivekananda told you about the interviews, that was the process. And after the third round we got our offer letter made. My interview was around 3 in the afternoon, and 2 बजे तक भी I remember मैं बैठ के मेरे पूरे प्रोजेक्ट्स देख रहा था कि ओके फर्स्ट राउंड, एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा नर्वस था. बट देन व्हेन आई केम आउट फ्रॉम द इंटरव्यू आई वाज लाइक कि ओके चिल, ये सब तो हमारे मिड सेम एंड सेम में होता रहता है. वी हैव हैड decent amount of mock interviews, so it went well. And the preparation, then again for the second round I have to again go through my projects again. एक रात में JavaScript, HTML, CSS एक बार फिर से.
It was easier than our interviews, like mid-sem and end-term interviews. The first round was easier, but the second round was pretty hard. So for me, like how I prepared, Like actually I had the projects already, so I just went through the projects and I just revised what every component is doing and everything.
I was just revising the Newton portal only, and I was just revising the JavaScript questions and the simple DSA questions.
Hearing to that, I feel Newton portal ने बहुत ज़्यादा help किया है.
या मतलब DSA के उन्होंने बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन ही पूछे फर्स्ट राउंड में, सो इट वाज प्रीटी इजी.
Like हमारा second semester का DSA was better than that, right?
Yeah, the exams are pretty hard, so the questions were low level for us in the interview. It felt like that. It's not actually low level, but it felt like that because we already had the practice.
If to summarize in one line the corporate world, I think it is like a nightmare dressed like a daydream.
It's a good saying that either you do something you love or you love something you do.
हाँ, because yes, I agree to that, because अगर टेक नहीं पसंद है एंड सिर्फ पैसे के लिए घुस रहे हो तो फिर तो भाई खत्म हो तुम कॉर्पोरेट में.
For me, like in a one line, I can say that it is a great exposure for me and many things to learn. I don't want to stop learning and I want to explore more.
Okay, so one advice that I personally would like to give to whoever is trying to get into an internship, be it paid or unpaid. See, honestly, it doesn't matter, because when you are initially getting an internship, it is all about the experience. And even we guys joined for the experience itself, but that we are getting paid enough, so we went in for that, obviously.
It's an advantage actually.
Obviously. So I would like to give one advice to work on the projects more, because at the end of the day, the projects are the things that make your resume outshine, for sure.
Are you strong with your basics or not? They will not ask advanced things in that or the anything. They will just ask the basics and they will go little deep into that, so that you know the concept or not.
Yeah, I would like to add up on that, like give sufficient time to it. Okay, just don't rush in learning more and more technologies. It doesn't make sense. No one is going to see if you are having 40 programming languages in your resume. It doesn't make any sense. Okay.
Like if you are good in one, then it works.
That is what. Go deep in a particular tech stack. Go understand the basics. To make projects. Go more practical. Learn as much as possible in that. Learn the functioning of it, how browser works, network works, what it is doing behind, and after you run the code, everything. Like go whatever interests you and make it like that. And then.
But I would like to add on to that, ki while learning also you must be aware that communication is also something that matters in interview. So you have to be aware about the keywords and the technical terms basically, because ये हमारे साथ भी हुआ था कि first of all सारे concepts पता है, सब कुछ implement करते आता है, but keywords and communication is something that was lagging, because answer में they want you to be more technical. So I am basically looking forward on to easy tasks कि जल्दी हो जाए थोड़ा मेरा. So it is nothing like that. I am looking on to some projects that are relevant to what I have started, and I am definitely looking forward to collaborate with my team more, because as I said कि अभी तक इतना ज़्यादा हम networking नहीं कर पाए. So I would definitely like to talk to like great minds, great opinions, and definitely I want to see how do like in actual industry people collaborate with among themselves, because I have seen that the team that sits around me, like they are having particular meetings every evening and वो लोग सब जा रहे हैं, कुछ तो बात कर रहे हैं.
So yeah, for me, I guess people seeing this video will hate me for saying this, but I would like to have the hard tasks which are present in the company, because yeah, if I have one hard task for 1 month, I would learn a lot in that.
In the upcoming weeks, I'm kind of a person where I'll ask more questions. So I need a person or anyone in my team who can clarify my doubts and everything.